In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate AI images in Perplexity AI. Whether you're on a computer or a phone, the process is quick and beginner-friendly. We'll go from opening Perplexity to crafting a strong prompt to generating, reviewing, and saving your final image. And then I'll share a few simple tips to help you get consistently better results. First, open Perplexity AI. You can do this in any modern web browser by going to the official website or by launching the Perplexity app if you've installed it on your device. Once it's open, sign into your account so your work is saved and easy to revisit. If you're new, choose sign up and follow the on-screen instructions. It only takes a moment, and having an account helps keep your prompts and images organized. Next, enter your image prompt. This is the most important part. Be clear and specific about what you want to see. Describe the subject, the setting, the mood, and the level of detail. For example, you might type, a realistic portrait of a golden retriever wearing sunglasses, sitting on the beach during sunset, high detail, 4K. Little touches like lighting, composition, and style cues can dramatically improve the result. Think in visuals, colors, time of day, camera angle, texture, and vibe. When your prompt looks good, press enter or click generate. The AI will process your request for a few moments. If it takes a bit, that's normal. Larger or more complex prompts sometimes need an extra second. Quick note while we're here. I've placed the official website link and, if you prefer the app, the download link right at the top of the description, so you can jump in directly from there. Once your image appears, take a moment to review it. Ask yourself if the subject is clear, the lighting feels right, and the mood matches what you imagined. If it's close but not perfect, refine the prompt. Adding a phrase like warm golden light, cinematic depth of field, or vibrant color grading can nudge the AI in the right direction. Small edits often make a big difference. When you're happy with the result, click download to save the image to your device. Choose a folder you'll remember so you can find it later. From here, feel free to create more images. Try different subjects, styles and eras, or swap the setting and lighting to explore variations. The more you iterate, the better you'll get at describing exactly what you want. That's it. Now you know how to generate AI images in Perplexity AI. If this helped, consider exploring more prompts and practicing your descriptions. Thanks for watching.